Planning. At the planning stage, the what, why, how, and how much data will be collected and managed throughout the data lifecycle is defined. Let's look at a fictional example and see how data responsibility is considered at this stage. In the arid landscapes of Cape Ruvania, a relentless drought and a long-standing civil war leave communities facing water scarcity and resulting poor sanitation. In response, Aid First, an international NGO, launches a water, sanitation, and hygiene, or WASH, promotion project to bring relief to the affected population. To plan for the project, Program Manager Sarah meets with local authorities, community leaders, and project stakeholders to define the precise purpose of data collection. The team asks themselves questions to define and limit the purpose of the project data.
What kind of data do we need for our project and for which purpose exactly?
How can we clearly define and limit the purpose of the data collection?
Do we have to collect personal data? If so, what kind of personal data?
The team then defines the minimum amount of data required to achieve the purpose of the program and meet reporting requirements, thus adhering to the General Data Protection Regulation principle on data minimization. They ask themselves the following questions.
How can we limit the scope of the data collection?
Could we reach our goal with less data?
Is there any alternative data that could be used to achieve our targets instead of personal data?
The team identifies the data required for the project, which includes historical data on water usage to estimate immediate water needs, insights from past relief efforts to inform strategies for efficient resource allocation, demographic profiles of affected project participants to tailor WASH interventions to suit the unique requirements of different communities. To assess the risks associated with data processing, Sarah, with the help from the Data Protection Officer, completes a data protection impact assessment. The project team weighs necessity and proportionality while considering humanitarian benefits versus potential risks of harm. By considering the next stages of the data lifecycle during planning, Sarah and the entire team are now ready for the project.